Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shirley. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I do my high puff, a high bun, whatever you call it. Because whenever I do mine, people always asking me, how do you do it, how do you do that, how when I do mine it never look like this. I'm gonna show you a picture what I mean. But yeah, before I get started, pause this video, subscribe to this channel. As you guys see, my hair still not unbraided, so we're gonna go ahead and unbraid my hair. Yes guys, I'm doing my high puff because I have work tomorrow at 7 a.m. So I have work tomorrow at 7 a.m. and I'm definitely not gonna wake up at 5 I'm definitely not gonna wake up at 5 a.m. to do my hair, so I'm just gonna do it at night, tie it, and wake up tomorrow, just shower, brush my teeth, and get ready. Easy peasy. So if you have your natural hair, you have work early in the morning, just do your hair at night. That's what I usually do. After you subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment, guys. Let's get this video. Let's
Just stop talking, please. Just stop.
Okay, I'll be serious. Let's get this video to, I guess, 20 like. Please, guys, 20 like. Comment.
No challenge with me.
Thank you, guys. Let's get to this video. Let's get to this video.